We have these young people here who we're bringing together and equipping with the skills to tell stories about their neighborhoods, about the different situations or things going on in their neighborhood, and hearing it from people who experience these things every day. We're able to get a better insight and better understanding of these issues, and this also gives us a better way to prefer solutions to these problems.
It is important to give young people the tools to visually capture the world around them, because that way they tell their story better. Anything that is visual is more impactful. So the picture really captures a story better than you just describing it by word of mouth.
I'm hoping that through this project, I can highlight waste problem and can draw attention for the proper eradication of waste. The most important thing I learned on this project is that photography can be a tool for social change.
The only way we can provide real solution to societal problem is by creating a sustainable learning environment for these young people on the streets. And this is why Slum Art was born. The objective is to get these young people's voices heard in a way that will engage the public and policymakers